Hi everyone, this is a brief lecture for anyone who is still confused. I've gotten a few emails with questions and I want to add clarity to the tasks. I know the drop date is coming. Some of you are really nervous about this online transition. Do not drop. It will be fine. Okay, everything is pretty golden on our Canvas for English 2. So let me be real clear. You have two major classifications of work. One is homework and one is classwork. Okay, for homework, for fiction, you have your chapter highlights, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 and 11. Those chapters are the same for all books, same prompt. Part 1 is a summary of the chapters read. Part 2, you pick a term from the chapter, apply it to a story. And Part 3 is a list of terms and definitions. Those are uploaded as assignments straight to the gradebook. Okay. The second homework for fiction is your fiction project, which is doubling as your exam. That's 200 points now. You pick a story either in your book or outside of your book, and you simply answer the questions, okay? One read per question, one read per 3 questions. I highly recommend doing this as we progress through the month, because every time I teach a story, you're going to have the skill set to go and do the fiction project. The links to the fiction project are in assignments as well as in announcements. That's homework. Now to the classwork. How do you get credit for attendance and participation? There are 2 major ways. First, you watch my lectures. Every lecture has 3 questions. You watch the lecture. I'm home too, guys. You watch the lecture, you answer the 3 questions. That's in discussion board. The second way you get participation and credit for class time and attendance is to read the story. So I gave a lecture about the story, you read the story, you practice the dissection that I just taught, and at the end of the story, you answer questions. These are turned in through the discussion board. You post your answers straight to the discussion board. It's credit, no credit, and it keeps you A eligible. That's it. Very, very simple. Now there's one more thing that I want to say to everybody, and that is if you're having trouble or are overwhelmed by the list of assignments, put it into assignment by category or by type. So when I look at Canvas right now, I have 2 options when I go to assignments. I can look at groups and I can look at assignments in one list according to due dates. I recommend putting it in list form because you're going to have the lectures in a section and the readings in a section, and each one of those count for a component of your in-class credit. Okay, I hope this clarifies things. Do not drop. Email me or text me if you have questions.